In this first substantive part of the assignment, you have 2,000 words, or rather 2 lots of 1,000 words, to consider some key pedagogic ideas. There are 4 main families of ideas that we discuss in pedagogy. These are behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, and collectivism or connectivism, a more recent idea. We suggest you look at 2 of these areas to explore and to pull out some of the key ideas, both historic and more contemporary, that are developed around these approaches to teaching and learning. It's important, however, that you look at these not just in a general sense, although a development of these in the wider international perspective is important at master's level, but also through the lens of your subject. As we touched on before, the approach to teaching and learning on the PE field is quite different to that in the science classroom or the drama studio or the art studio or the English classroom. Again, you'll know more about that with your own subject background. And you'll see in the flowchart that we recommend that you talk to colleagues at schools as part of your data gathering exercise alongside the literature review. But this part is a literature review, so you need to focus on looking at the databases and looking at the literature in order to pull out some key ideas and do a meta-analysis of the literature, applying both analytical and methodological criticism in order to do this. And again, if you're not sure what those are, go back to the video on criticality that you'll find in the introduction section. So having chosen your 2 approaches, use your 1,000 words to explore and draw out these looking essay at both the general ideas and the subject specific, ideally drawing on both national and international studies, but recognizing the limitations of these as you look more widely.